since you now know how to edit charts, I will show you how to create more complex structures like mind maps, comparison charts, different diagrams, and so on. To see all of those different templates on one place, simply search for graph. When you're in the editor, you can see all of these templates on the side. Here you can see Venn diagrams, T-charts, concept maps, and so on. You will definitely find the right diagram template for your use case. I'd say for this example, we just go for a mind map. I really like this orange one here. A mind map is a great tool to brainstorm thoughts without worrying about their order or structure. But most people, including myself, use it to get a nice overview for a very specific project. In this case, I want to make my mind map about the Canva Masterclass. In the center, I write the project's name and a short description for it. When that's finished, it's time to edit the different focus points. They represent the key components in our project. I'll just rename design to editing, backend into content, marketing, I don't need to modify that because that's actually a point that I want to have, so we can skip that. And front end, I'm going to turn that into publishing. And when every focus point is set, it's time to go into detail. So for that, I'm just going to zoom into the first point, which is editing. And then I'm going to write all the important stuff that I need to remember about editing this course into those little circles here. I'm just going to repeat the same process with every other focus point that I have. If you need more space, you can simply copy-paste one field and write whatever you want into it. In my case, the whole mind map is already completed now, but I don't quite like the aesthetics yet. So let's change that by first deleting the orange background, then click on backgrounds, and let's select this nice gradient here. Modify the colors of the gradient a little bit. And here we go. For my taste, that looks much better. And it nicely blends into the whole design language of the project. Now I'm going to show you how to edit templates like this. Some people told me that they have got problems editing them, but don't worry, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is you need to select this element here and just drag it around wherever you want. Now in this case, I want to move that element from October to November. And just use the alignment lines to align the whole thing properly. If you've got a template like this, you can simply edit it by changing the length of the arrows. And if you would like to add additional content, you can do that by copy-pasting fields and arrows. And that's already it, there is nothing more to it. With these editing techniques, you can edit every single diagram. And that is absolutely awesome, because you will save a bunch of time. I really hope that this lecture was valuable to you. And now let's instantly jump on to the next one, because there you're going to learn how to create stunning presentations that make every PowerPoint look old.